April 17, the call begins. Hearts awaken deep within.
Fathers, rise, this is your day, called by God to lead the way. Hands to guide and hearts made strong. In His truth we now belong. Through every trial we will stand, led by God's unchanging hand. Fathers, arise, step into the light. Walk in faith, stand for what's right. Sentul is calling, the time is now. Before the Lord we make our vow.
From 17 to 19 we stand.
Godly fathers across this land,
Build our homes on Christ alone. Lead our families to His throne. Legacy of faith we bring, serving Jesus as our King.
we will lead